everyone, it's Dr. Barbara Kubicka here. In these difficult and stressful times, I would like to give you a little bit more information about implication of stress on your hair, and if you experience hair loss before, why it gets worse, and as well what you can do during this time to help yourself to go through this time as smoothly as possible. The most important, obviously, is the hormonal implication of stress on our body. And cortisol, it's produced by adrenal glands, and adrenal glands produce as well androgens, and those are hormones that usually stimulates the loss of hair, or their metabolites increase the hair loss. So in that time of stress, obviously those hormones will be higher as well, and the metabolites of those hormones will increase as well, causing further damage. Stress itself as well, even if the main reason for the hair loss it's not hormonal, can happen during the time of stress as well. Our metabolism is different, the blood distribution is different, so everything, our skin and our hair, it's affected by it as well. If you have an underlying skin condition like eczema, psoriasis, it will be worsened during that period of time, and again, if it is on the scalp, obviously that will increase the loss of hair. There are conditions, skin conditions or hair conditions like alopecia areata, they're strictly connected with stress and can appear for the first time during the stressful time, or can get worse under additional anxiety and stress. Saying so, it doesn't have to be so bad if you know what is happening, and if you are prepared to help yourself during that time. The important thing is the reduction of your anxiety level or the stress, but as well trying to get a decent sleep to help your body to rejuvenate. Now, changes in diet will help with balancing it as well, like having more balanced diet, less acidic, more and light as well, so it's easy for digestion. You can supplement your diet with products like Skin Aid, which is a complex product with collagen, with amino acids and some vitamins from group B, vitamin D, and fish oils. So that's quite good. Omega oils, sorry. That's quite good component to your diet. Biotin is a great vitamin to include in your daily routine because that will help further with hair growth and hair stimulation. From the topical side of view, you can improve your hair with some products you can get online from our shop, which is Misim. It's the product that stops hair from falling out. It's not a strong medication. It's not something that irritates the skin. It contains biofactors, and in that way it stops hair from falling out. Good to use instead of your regular products, and as well it doesn't contain sulfates, so make it a little bit easier for your hair and scalp to take. If you want to take it on the next level, there is a lotion, like a tonic, we can put on your scalp and massage every night. Again, very natural vitamin and amino acids base will support it further, and it's more than you would normally do, so should stimulate hair. Now, if that it's not enough, or you know yourself that you've tried things like this and they won't work, You can contact us, and after consultation I can prescribe products, topical products that will block the conversion of hormones and will stop further hair loss. And it's a good thing to use especially in this difficult time. When everything comes back to normal, we are able to offer you support and support your hair to come back to its natural self. We'll be able to offer you some support and help in terms of treatments. We have a program called Triple Synergy that is excellent for those who suffer with hair loss. Have a look on our video section, there should be information about that product, and hopefully be able to help you more then. But meantime, if you have any questions, if you want consultation, please contact us. We'll be very happy to help. And I know that hair loss can be very, very distressing, so you don't need this additional stress. And if you know that you're doing something, it gives you peace of mind and helps you to a little bit more to relax a bit. So hopefully see you soon. If you find it useful, please share it and like it, give us feedback, and see you another time.